This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 75. Why pressure kills interest, even when it looks like discipline. Pressure and discipline are often confused. They look similar on the surface. Structure, rules, consistency. But biologically, they do very different things. Pressure activates stress. It carries an implicit message. Something bad happens if I don't act. I must not slow down. I can't afford to pause. The nervous system hears this as danger. Interest cannot survive there because interest requires safety. It requires the sense that attention is optional, not demanded. Discipline, when regulated, does not threaten. It supports rhythm. It reduces decision fatigue. It creates predictability. Pressure does the opposite. It compresses time. It narrows perception. It turns curiosity into obligation. This is why people often lose interest right after getting serious. Nothing went wrong, the signal changed. What once felt safe to explore now feels monitored. Stable interest, as we saw in the last episode, returns quietly and stays. Pressure makes it flee, even when the goal is meaningful. The body doesn't resist growth, it resists coercion. If interest disappeared after you pushed harder, this is not laziness. It's regulation trying to protect itself. Discipline supports interest. Pressure suffocates it. Next episode. How rhythm restores motivation without force. Thank you.